morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. We are heading to a farm where you get to pick your own veggies and fruit. Lucas is always asking to go. We'll see you there. Oh, ¿vas en el carro? Okay. We have arrived to the farm. We're going to look at goats and llamas. I'm so excited. She's gorgeous. Sophia definitely takes after her mom. She keeps walking back to the alpacas. Look at her. Come on, Sophie. Let's go. Let's go, princess. Cutting purple kale here, trying to eat the rainbow. And if you are wondering, this is not an organic farm. This is a sustainable farm, but this is more for support of this wonderful place that provides families with cool and really good activities for their children and to allow some freedom to kids, especially in this time of pandemic. So for support, we do come and pick, and of course for our own benefit, because the kids, especially Lucas, really has the time of his life every time we come here.
Hello. She's stuck alone. I got it.
Can you guys see what Sophia picked?
Whoa.
She picked carrots. Wow. Whoa, you fell. So I am walking behind my child, just kind of whatever he is picking at, just actually picking at myself. A lot of the stuff that he was pinching around at is just the green like tail or leaves of the I can't think right now. It's kind of hot. We've been in the sun for a little too long, but it's pretty much the tail or the end of the carrot. So it's nothing that he is damaging or hurting or anything like that. And then whatever is things such as like the kale, he was pulling on the kale, I was actually going behind him and picking that specific kale that he pinched. And I have my basket with my kale, and we will continue our picking journey.
Okay. Nothing.
Una casita. Here's what we are having for lunch after the farm. This is an ahi tuna salad is what I will be having. And my husband is having some type of Cobb salad or...
barbecue chicken.
Oh, there we go. Lucas, what are you having?
Mommy, don't need Bobby. Mommy, don't.
And Sophia still napping. Lucas is having a grilled cheese. We have left the farm. We had lunch in the car. We are very tired. We were in the sun for a long time. I think that the kids had a blast. They really enjoyed just being around all the beautiful greenery. They always love the wagon ride. So it was nice. It was really fun. It's a little change in routine. So it was nice. I will leave you with that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button. It really helps my channel. It's the only way my channel can grow, with your help and support. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, days in the life or activities, outdoor activities to do with toddlers, especially right now with the situation the world is in. Let me know. There's definitely a lot of places that we go to and a lot of things that we do that we try to do with the kids. So let me know down below. Leave me a comment letting me know that this is the kind of stuff you guys want to watch. And if you subscribe, let me know down in the comment section that you subscribe so that I can give you a big welcome. If you watch till the end, you can also leave me a comment saying that you watched till the end. All right, I think that's going to be it for today. Thank you again for watching.